Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks in Derbyshire in the UK. I'm really excited to be showing you how to make this lovely two-tone balloon flower bouquet. Take a 260 green, inflate it to 1 to 2 finger tail, give your balloon a squeeze and make loops of about 5 fingers. So we're making a leaf, a flower petal loop, and take that knot and nozzle and just pass it through the centre. So that's going to make sure that that doesn't come undone. Make another loop, the same size as the first. Wrap the two together. Okay, give everything a squeeze, and by now you should be close to fully inflated. Okay, make another loop. Okay, and there you've got a stem. Okay, it's really quick to do. Next you're going to need two 260s. And inflate to the tail of about 4 or 5 fingers, about 4 or 5 fingers or so. Put a twist in there, and then inflate your next 260. To a similar tail, let a little bit of air out just to soften your balloon, and then tie the two directly together. Okay, and make another one of these. Take your two duplets and just wrap the two together. Okay, and we're keeping one colour on this side and one colour on this side. Bring them together, and with the back pair, just twist off a pair of small bubbles. Okay, and we're keeping the colours in line, and then bring the pair from behind, the pair of 260s, and just twist together here. Okay, and when we finish off, we're making sure that the blue stays on this side and the purple stays on this side. Okay, and then bring the two 260s from behind forwards and twist. Okay, and again, make sure that the blue stays on this side and the purple on this. And bring the two from behind forwards and twist. Making sure all the time that the colours stay in line. Bring the two from behind forward and twist. Okay, bring the two from behind forward and twist. Bring the two from behind forwards and twist. Okay, so we're making sure that our colours stay on one side. Bring the two from behind and twist. Bring the two from behind and twist. Okay, and I think we might get one more out here. Two from behind and twist. Okay, so I'm actually just wrapping this through because that was right at the end of the bubble. Okay, so that's what we've got, and then we can bring this one forward and twist. Okay, so that's what we've got. We've got this, I think of it as a herringbone pattern. What we do next is you need to make sure that all your nozzles here are easily accessible, and then we're going to roll up this end. So just roll it into a tight spiral. Grab hold of one of the nozzles, roll it into a spiral and pull that nozzle through into the join here and through here into this junction here. Wrap around. Okay, and then hide that nozzle somewhere underneath. So you've tucked this in here. Okay, take another nozzle and continue to wrap around. Okay, and when you've curled up, take hold of this nozzle here, pull it through underneath this one, into this junction here, wrap it underneath, pull it round and through, and then just hide in the back. Okay, and then what we're going to do is continue to wrap around like this. Continue to curl up your weave into a nice tight spiral, okay? And I've got an end here that I can wrap into, so I can pull that into here. Just tuck it underneath there, pull it through, wrap it around, and that's just going to secure that in position. Okay, now trim off these ends. Just tie that one in a knot. Okay, and then I can pull this one up through here. Through, wrap that around, and then I can tie it onto that other nozzle. Trim these off. Okay, and tie them together. And then I'm going to pull these up into this section here. I'm taking both tails together through at the same time, grabbing them underneath there and pulling them round and wrapping round. Okay. And what you can do is you can tie these to the other ones as well that we've just tied in, just to secure everything together. Okay, so that's what you've got. And using these bits of excess here, just wrap your flower head into the stem. Okay, next take a 260, I'm using gold with a 1-finger tail. And I'm making a bubble for this, that's about 4 to 5 inches or so, and then making a loop that is similar sort of height. Give a twist, give everything a squeeze, make another loop to match this one. And then twist off a bubble of about a finger and a half or so, and pinch twist that, okay? Just give another pinch twist. And then just stretch this a little bit, just to make sure it's nice and soft. Take your flowers and your bow and just wrap that bow, that 260, around the back of the flower stems and into this junction here. Just twist off the bubble and wrap that in. And just arrange everything. I'm just going to trim off this nozzle. So there's your two-tone flower bouquet. I'll see you again in the next video.